Alright, so this is the Corvette that was in the video where I put a new battery in it. So we put a new battery in it, and then I did have the old battery tested, and it did test bad, and it was under warranty, so they replaced it. After I put the new battery in, it still seemed slow starting. Started about 3 times, and then the starter started dragging real bad. And so then I knew that its slow starting was a bad starter. And so what we've done now, and you could smell it after that, so it's been sitting, and as you can see, and now it had this new battery has gone dead, just sitting here. It's dead. It'll probably charge back up, but we need to get into the car, and it is all locked up. So I'm going to show y'all what to do. And it's got these, it doesn't have regular door handles, so even if it was unlocked, you still can't get the doors open. The hood's closed, the trunk's closed. So above the license plate, you have a keyhole. So you take your key, and that pops the trunk. So now we're in the trunk. We can get to the battery, and we can put a charger on it. The other thing we could do if we wanted to is we can crawl through, which is actually probably what I'm going to do, because what I need to do is push it out of this garage to work on it. And once I'm working on it, I'll put the battery charger on it. So I think what I'll actually do is crawl through and open the door and push it out, then put the battery charger on it. Or you could put the battery charger on it, and then you could use the door locks, or open the door. So however you want to do it. Actually, I think my jump pack is over there. Let me go grab it, and we'll just hook the jump pack up to it, and then I can open the door. Alright, jump pack hooked up, not much charge in it, but it's enough. Lights came on the car. Get this stuff pushed out of the way, and we should be able to open the door now. There we go. So we are in, and I need to push this thing out of the garage. So that's it for this video, and I'll do a video on replacing the starter on this thing. Thanks for watching.